Hi, it's Deb from North Staff's Carers Young Carers team. I'd like to share a video with you on how to make some bunting as part of our Get Creative initiative. If you'd like to take part, these are the things that you will need. Okay, so PVA glue or Pritt stick, some cardboard. I've used the back of a cereal box. I've put the glue in a pot with a brush, some wool or twine, or cotton, or whatever you have in the house. I've got a bin bag if you're going to do any painting, just so it doesn't get too messy. Then I've got some scissors, but remember to be safe, or use safety scissors, or get an adult to help you. And then I've got a hole puncher to make the holes, but you don't need that because I'll show you what you can do in a bit. Okay, so first things first, you need to choose a shape. I've chosen a heart because we had a heart to draw around. So you can use make anything. You can make rockets, you can make unicorns, traditional bunting of flags, you know, the triangle ones, stars, whatever you decide. I've also got, you could have a person one. So if you take your card and your template, draw around, okay, just like that. And once you've drawn around, you just need to cut it. Okay, so be careful with your scissors. So drawing like that. It doesn't have to be mega super neat. It can be a bit rustic and homemade, because that's the beauty of it. Okay, so once you've done your heart, if like me you have used an old cereal packet, you need some paper to cover it up, ready to paint or colour. So you do the same again. You draw around your template on the paper. You need to do 2 of these, but I'll just show you one. Okay, let's do this. It's a lovely day. Lots of people playing and very happy. Okay, so cut that one out. It doesn't take long, does it? So, okay, this is why if you choose a simpler shape, it's very quick. So you can do it as simple as you like or as detailed as you like. It's up to you. Go wild. Okay. So once you've done that, you need to do another one and then attach them. So you get your glue or your Pritt stick. This is where the brush comes in handy. So if you paste that, you can paste the paper or you can paste the cardboard, doesn't matter. And then you just attach it like that, give it a little wiggle to make sure it lines up. Okay, and then you'll have your heart. So if you press that down, you leave that to dry, do the other side as well, and then choose your colours. I've had some leftover bedroom paints, so I've painted it pink. I've got some other colours too. And once that's done, you need to do your hole punches, or I'll show you how if you haven't got one. So you just punch for this one, 2 sides. For other things you can maybe just get away with one. If you haven't got a hole puncher, if you get some plasticine or glue tack or rubber, put that underneath and you can just use your scissors, again carefully, to make your holes. Then you get your wool or your twine or whatever you've got, and you put it through on the first at the front. And that seems as if you're going to see that, but then it all goes at the back, which is really good. And then you thread the other side like that, and then you do as many of your much as your bunting, however long you need it. You can put your name on it for your bedroom, you can decorate it for a party, and it's as simple as that. So just to give you an idea of what a finished result's like, I'll just show you some bunting outside. So just over there, that's our bunting. I've put some sticky back plastic on that one, with it being outside, so you can cover it with plastic, or if you're lucky enough to have a laminator you can do that, but you don't need to if it's indoors. So I hope you found that interesting and give it a go, and take care and see you soon.